Hello, I'm George from Magaya. This video explains in-bond shipments for U.S. Customs, or Customs for short. This is the first video in this series. We recommend watching them all to learn the whole process of working with in-bonds. If you plan to transport goods through the United States, you will surely hear the term in-bond or customs bond. In-bond shipments are stored in or transported to the United States without being sold or consumed in the U.S. No customs duties, taxes, or costs related to the import process are paid. In-bond shipments must be transported by bonded carriers, and if necessary, stored in bonded warehouses. There are several reasons why you might want to transport your shipment in bond. Moving your shipment in bond lets you defer the payment of duties and taxes, move your cargo within the U.S. border to export that cargo to a foreign country, transport the product to a foreign trade zone, and take advantage of tariff inversion. The Customs Form 7512 allows for the transportation of cargo in bond within the U.S. This form identifies the products being transported and their country of origin. This form must be sent electronically to Customs in advance of a shipment's arrival to the U.S. Let's look at the three main types of in-bond shipments. If the shipment needs to be transported to an inland port upon arrival to the U.S., an immediate transportation, or IT, is required. Final customs clearance will be initiated at the inland port. If the shipment needs to be transported through 2 points within the U.S. and then exported to a different country, a transportation and exportation, or T&E, is required. If the shipment is to be exported to its destination country from the same port where it arrived, an immediate exportation, or IE, is required. After a shipment is complete, a closure request must be sent to Customs to close the bond and indicate that the shipment is no longer within U.S. territory. Closure requests are typically sent after a shipment has arrived at its destination country. However, an additional closure request may be sent to Customs to inform them that the shipment was exported from its port of arrival. The In-Bond portal by Magaya lets you store and manage shipment files. With the portal, you can also generate a Customs Form 7512 for each shipment file. The portal communicates directly with Customs' automated system, allowing you to transmit shipments, send closure requests, and receive customs updates all in one place. For more about in-bond shipments, visit the Customs website or contact a licensed customs broker. See our other videos and the Getting Started article in the knowledge base for everything you need to work with the In-Bond portal. Thanks for watching.